Ever wondered what sets black tie apart from business casual or streetwear? It's more than just the number of buttons on your jacket or the color of your shoes. These three dress codes, each unique in their own right, are tailored for different occasions. Knowing when to don each can make a world of difference, turning heads and exuding confidence. From the elegance of black tie, the subtlety of business casual, to the boldness of streetwear, each has its place and time. Dive in with us as we unravel the mysteries of men's dress codes. Let's start with the most formal of the three, the black tie. Black tie is synonymous with evening events and formal occasions. It's a dress code that calls for a certain level of sophistication and elegance. Think tuxedos, bow ties, and polished patent leather shoes. The tuxedo should be a crisp black or midnight blue. The shirt, a clean, crisp white. The devil is in the details. A black bow tie, not a necktie, is a must. The shoes should be black, polished to a high shine. A pocket square adds a dash of personality, while cufflinks lend a touch of class. But don't let the formality intimidate you. The key to pulling off black tie is confidence. Stand tall, wear it with pride, and let your personality shine through. It's not about looking stuffy or outdated. It's about showcasing elegance with a modern twist. Remember, black tie is all about elegance and sophistication, so keep it classy. Shifting gears, we'll now discuss the more relaxed, yet still professional, business casual. This dress code is a harmonious blend of comfort and professionalism, making it perfect for modern workplaces, semi-formal dinners, and even casual Fridays. At the heart of business casual lies the versatility of pieces like chinos or khaki pants, paired with button-down shirts in neutral or muted colors. Polo shirts and sweaters also work well for a more laid-back vibe. And let's not forget the importance of a smart blazer, a classic piece that instantly elevates any look. Footwear can range from loafers to dress shoes, depending on the occasion and your personal style. And remember, accessories are your friends. A tasteful watch or a simple leather belt can add that final touch of sophistication. But here's the secret sauce: confidence. Wear your outfit with a sense of self-assurance, and you're sure to make a stylish impression. With business casual, balance is key, not too formal yet not too casual. It's the perfect middle ground. Lastly, let's talk about the most casual of the three, streetwear. The beauty of streetwear lies in its versatility and room for personal expression. It encompasses everything from graphic tees, sneakers, to the classic denim. But remember, while streetwear may seem laid back, it doesn't mean sloppy. Maintaining a clean, well-fitted look is crucial. The key is to mix and match with confidence. Streetwear is all about expressing your individual style, so don't be afraid to experiment and have fun with it. So, whether you're dressing for a gala, a meeting, or a casual day out, remember, each occasion calls for a distinct style. The elegance of black tie, the versatility of business casual, or the relaxed vibe of streetwear. The key is to understand these dress codes and adapt them to your personal style. Confidence in your attire is a crucial step in making a lasting impression. Knowing your dress codes is not just about fashion, it's about making the right impression. Dress well, gentlemen,